The accessories that come with the Deluxe Air Fryer and Oven have tons of possibilities, but to give you even more cooking options, there are some accessories sold separately that pair perfectly with the oven.
That's right, Rebecca. The small oven baking pan is great for cakes, casseroles, and even pasta. The capacity is like a traditional 9x13, so you can easily convert your favorite recipes.
The small oven brownie pan is just like the Pampered Chef pan you know and love, just a little smaller to fit the air fryer. It holds about half a box of brownie mix or makes 6 hearty egg bites.
The small oven baking sheet is nice and flat, so it's better for cookies. Plus, you can use it as a drip tray on top of the crumb tray. It's flatter than the sheet pan that comes with the oven, so it fits under the lowest level rack in the bottom compartment. And bonus, the sheet pan goes on top of the baking pan as a lid when storing your baked goods.
To get extra crispy frozen pizzas, the 12-inch metal pizza pan will be your best friend. Use it with your favorite frozen pizza in the top compartment for the most delicious crusts.
And to round out the collection, of course we needed some stoneware. The small oven square pizza stone is designed to work with the stone bake function in the top compartment. This function preheats the stone for 10 minutes every time, so you get exactly what you'd expect from stoneware. The best homemade pizzas, braids, meat, and veggies. Plus, you can use all of these accessories in your regular oven.
Wow, that is amazing. And I love the capacity because there are even more accessories that you can use with it. One of my favorites is the half pie pan. You can have sweet or savory pie without turning on your conventional oven. How cool is that?
I love that.
Plus, most 8-inch baking pans, traditional cake pans, and some smaller stoneware pieces fit just fine. A general rule is if the pan and food are a 1/4 inch away from the heating elements, it's okay to use. Just keep in mind when baking, some batters rise.
Those are great tips, Rebecca. Okay, so we've given you a lot of accessories and options to pair with your appliance. So how do you cook with all of these at once? Here are a couple of guidelines you'll want to follow. First, always use a crumb tray when you cook. If you're cooking something with a lot of drippings in the bottom compartment, place a sheet pan on top of the crumb tray to catch the extra drippings. For the best experience, it's important to clean the crumb trays after each use. If grease builds up, you may have some smoking or drippings coming out of the air fryer.
Second, if you're using a sheet pan or baking pan, place them on the wire rack. Want to use 2 baking pans at once? You can use the air fryer rack as a second wire rack when needed. Just make sure your pan is stable and turn the rack upside down if needed.
For even more inspiration, check out the included cooking guide.
And don't forget to scan the QR code on the back of the book to see more recipes featuring the accessories that are sold separately.